We'll never stop looking for ways to help make your safe Subaru even safer. Introducing two new active safety features: Subaru blind spot detection with lane change assist and rear cross traffic alert, available on the 2015 Legacy and 2015 Outback. Especially helpful on busy roads and highways, Subaru blind spot detection helps watch over your shoulder and warn you of potential danger. It uses radar in the rear bumper to monitor your blind spot area. When blind spot detection senses that a vehicle on your right or left is approaching in another lane or is in your blind spot, a warning light will appear in your side mirror, alerting you to that vehicle's presence. Lane Change Assist, another feature of this system, uses the same warning light when another vehicle on the right or left approaches at a higher speed in the neighboring lane. After the initial warning light displays, if you switch lanes or signal to change lanes, and Lane Change Assist senses that the approaching vehicle is still there, it gives you a flashing warning to further alert you to the vehicle's presence. After all, things can happen in an instant, and at Subaru, we believe extra awareness is always a smart move. Parking lots can also be tricky, even for the best of drivers. In these situations, our standard rear vision camera is a great help for seeing what's directly behind your vehicle. And now we've developed Subaru Rear Cross Traffic Alert to help you in parking situations where your vision is blocked on the right or left and you can't see vehicles approaching. As you are backing out of a parking spot, keeping an eye out as you go, the radar sensors in the rear bumper of your Subaru are looking too. If Rear Cross Traffic Alert senses traffic approaching from either side as you are backing up, it will alert you with a flashing visual indicator and an audible warning, giving you time to stop and avoid any approaching danger. That extra awareness can really come in handy in situations like these. Together, we hope Rear Cross Traffic Alert and blind spot detection with Lane Change Assist will add to that feeling of security and peace of mind you've come to expect from Subaru.